Hey everyone, welcome back to the Princess Sparkle YouTube channel. Today, here I have with me is Elias.
Hey everyone, today we're doing Nailed It. Yes, so if you don't know what Nailed It is, it's basically a cooking show on Netflix, and we are going to be like cooking and baking stuff, and it's a competition. So it's going to be really fun, and I'll see you all there.
Bye!
So, there are 3 judges, a guest judge, a professional judge, and the main host. So I'm going to be the professional judge because I have made all the examples for the cooks, what they have to cook, and so, or bake, it's mostly baking. And Delilah here, hey, again, she is going to be the main host for the Nailed It competition. So, yeah, our guest judge is going to be Jem.
Hi everyone, I'm going to be the guest judge. So basically, I get to judge with the host and the professional chef.
Yeah, I'm a professional chef. We're gonna meet our 3 contestants, so this is gonna get really, really exciting. Hey everyone, I'm going to be the first contestant, and my name is Eric, for those who don't know me, and I really like baking.
Hi everyone, my name is Diamond, and I'm going to be the second contestant, and I really like baking and cooking.
Hey everyone, my name's Ethan, for those who don't know me. I think Diamond said her name, she didn't mention it. Well, that was Diamond. And, I don't really cook that much. Neither do I bake that much, but I'm here just for the fun of it. Give something new a try, you know? I'm that guy who likes trying things new.
Okay, let's get straight into it.
So, round 1 is going to be fruit. Now, these aren't real fruit. They are baked fruit, and you have to remake them. So, we've got some names, and they're the names of the fruit, and whatever name you get, you have to make. So, let's start.
So, we have 4 fruits here, and so one of you can come up at a time and pick the one you want, but you don't know what it is. Ooh, I think I want. I think this one. I'm gonna pick this one. And I'm going to pick this one. This one can just go. Okay, let's get started. To the baking. Oh, you can open up your papers now. I got banana. And I got orange.
And I got blueberry, which is the one I wanted.
And your time starts now. So as you know, I have to get yellow because I've got banana. I think I'm going to take my sunglasses off. Now, as you know, I am doing banana, so I need like a yellowish color. I think I'm going to get this greenish one here because it's more like banana green color. Okay. So I am doing orange, as you know, so I need this bright orange color. And I'm doing blueberry, which is right here. Oh, it's quite here, right? So this is what it's meant to look like. And so, yeah. I'm gonna make it. Haha.
When I was younger yesterday, things were simple, things were safe. I never dreamed that I could see a better life for you and me. Everyone told me to stay. I held my breath, I made the leap, opened a door I'd never seen. I took a chance, I made it through. Now everything is coming true, and this is what it's like to be.
Okay, time is up. Let's see how you did. Okay. Let's see these. Oh, they look really good, and I'm ready to taste. Okay, now it's time to judge them. What do you think? I really liked Diamond's one because she added a lot of detail. The banana was quite good, but it was quite smaller than the actual one that you had made. Yeah, I think the same thing. Diamond's one was really good and it was perfect size. She even added detail and yeah, put a lot of effort in it. Yeah, I think Ethan's one could have been a bit more smoother on the outside and definitely more detail too. Yes, so our winner for the first round is Diamond. So congrats. Yes, but whoever wins the second round wins the whole thing. Yes, so keep it up and you're gonna do great.